Welcome to our state-of-the-art filling and capping production line. Let me guide you through its innovative features. We begin with the loading zone where bottles are automatically aligned for seamless processing. Next, the air cleaning zone ensures every bottle is pristine before filling. At the filling station, the machine delivers precise volumes with exceptional speed and accuracy. The system includes multiple pour capping stations, spray cap feeding, and alignment and nozzle pressing, middle cap feeding, capping, all seamlessly integrated. Finally, the completed products are efficiently discharged at the unloading zone, ready for packaging and delivery.